Alright, welcome Pirates. This week on Pirate TV, we are going to get our iPads organized for the new semester. We're going to start with Notability, so take about 30 seconds and open up your Notability now. Okay, as you can see here, I've got my Notability right on the dock for easy access. I recommend you do the same thing. I'm going to open that up. First thing we need to do is go to the bottom left-hand corner and click on the gear, which is your settings. Alright, once you've done so, you can see we begin with auto backup, which is the first thing I'd like you to do is go ahead and click on Google Drive right here so that you back all your notes up to Google Drive. Alright, I'm all set here, good to go. I'm going to go ahead and click OK and close this out and begin organizing. So if you go to the top left-hand corner, you will see a plus button right here. I would like you to click on that now. You see you have the option to create subjects and also create dividers. What we're going to do first is we are going to create a divider for our advocacy class. So click right there. We're going to call it Advocacy. Alright, now that that's made, I need to do some internal organization. So I'm going to click on this plus button again, and this time we are going to create a subject. So go ahead and click right up here. Please title this subject AVID TV. Okay, now I'm off to a good start getting my advocacy work all organized. You're going to want to repeat this process for all of your classes. So as an example, I'm going to click the plus button one more time up in that left-hand corner. And this time I'm going to create a new divider. And as an example, I'm going to call this one U.S. History. Why? Because that is the most important class you will ever take. Alright, I got that all set up, and now within U.S. History I need to begin my internal organization. Plus again, and I'm going to create a subject, and I'm going to call this subject U.S. History Cornell Notes. Make sure as you go on and you're making these subjects for all your classes, make sure you don't just call them Cornell Notes, but call them U.S. History Cornell Notes or Chemistry Cornell Notes, so as to not get those confused. Alright, I got a couple of these things made. What I'm going to show you here as an example is this edit button right up top. If you click on that, what it's going to allow you to do is move around your subjects and your dividers to however you want them to go. So these three lines right here, if you click on those, you can see that you can move around your notes and move around your dividers however you want to have it. So here is an example. I'm going to shift my U.S. History up above Advocacy because maybe I have that first thing in the morning with the greatest teacher ever, Mr. Irving. Alright, now when you have them like you want, you go ahead and click Done. And now you'll notice I have an unfiled note right here. That's not good. I need to file that away. So what you're going to do is go ahead and click on the note right here, and you're going to see that it's going to get big. And once it gets big, you'll be able to move it into whatever subject it goes. So I'm going to put this Cornell note paper into my AVID TV subject. Alright, now I'm in good shape here. I've got no unfiled notes, which is a good thing. I'm off to a good start with my dividers and my subjects. I'll just need to repeat this process for the rest of my classes. Okay, to sum up, what I'd like you to do is step 1, back up to Google Drive. Step 2, you need to create a divider for each of your classes, and within each divider, put together at least 2 subjects, making one of them Cornell Notes. Step 3, make sure all your notes are titled so you know what they are, and put them in the appropriate subject. And finally, remember, there's no I in AVID. If you've got this all set and you're all organized for the new semester, please get up, move around, and help your peers do the same thing. Thank you for watching AVID TV, and get organized!